Asibingelele kwiningizimu Afrika yonke. Bafowethu namhlanje ukhuluma nani Bishop Ngcobo opresident we-MK Labour Desk. Ophinde ke futhi a champion into ye-MK Labour Desk Training Academy. Niyazi ukuthi umlando wethu njenge-MK Labour Desk kade sibhizi sikhipha abantu kuma factory bokufika abafike bazothatha imisebenzi yase South Africa. So njengamanje ke we further escalate to ukuletha just ukukhipha abantu sasesivula amathuba emsebenzi nanokuthi abantu bakithi kufanele babe neskill into ezobenza baphile ukuba neskill hayi umuntu abesemsebenzini engenaso skill. That's why ke we communicated with udadewethu la on my left ukuthi abe ingxenye asilekelele kakhulu kule factory nje was donated completely to MK Labour Desk Training Academy ukuthi sifundise abantu bakithi. Dadewethu ake nginikeze wena just to explain little bit the partnership that we have with this factory.
Okay, my name is Vaneshri Govender. We actually offered the MK Labor Law to come in and run a school here where we teach them basics and where they can go out there and get a job. It's all about the South Africans getting a job. So we doing our best to them. As you can see that they are sewing, making a difference. That's all we need in this country.
Yeah, so ke yibo abantu laba esisebenza ngabo abakhona siyabonga futhi na kwi team ke kuyiyona edila nalama trainings sinomfowethu uFano sinomfowethu umfundisi uShai sinabafowethu nje abanye abaku province nabaku national aba physically involved and this kind of academy sifuna ukuyiqhubeza kunama factory amaningi khona nawe icathulo asasidinga ukuthi sizofundisa abantu bakithi ukuthi bakwazi ukuyimela ekutheni baphile beyiphilisa bona. This kind of skill ungakwazi ngisho ekhaya ukuthungela omakhelwane ungakwazi ngisho ekhaya ukuthungela izikole zangasekhaya. You can even make ama church uniform. You can even make ama municipality clothes. Everything you can do it, so you empower yourself. Lana ke sino grade 2 no grade 4. Kusho ukuthi laba bantu esi collaborate nabo si collaborate nabantu abazokwazi ukusinikeza izitifiketi ezi-infonywa uSitha. SITA people will come and partner with us to issue a accredited certificate after 5 weeks, because today is Friday, they are finishing 1 week. Bela. So now next week it will be 2 weeks, another week 3 weeks, and then we also invited all the factory owners to come and pick the people that are going to be employed here so that everyone that come from this school will be able to make a difference to his family. And also we are emphasizing that the people must be paid accordingly so that the people can enjoy to be in the workplace. So that's what we are saying. As a union as well that is involved, Nangumbathu khona representing a union, ukuthi abantu abakhokhelwe futhi ngendlela okuyiyona.
Nginibingelele nonke emakhaya. Cha sikhona Sanfosawu nokubhekelela ukutraina kwabasebenzi laba sizobabiza ngabasebenzi sibalindele nje ukuthi mase bengabasebenzi sizobheka ukuthi mase beqashwa baqashwe kahle baholelwe kahle because laba abantu bakufundele lokhu bahlale 5 weeks sonke befundela lonke sikhona lokho sizobheka ngeli process isiyonke ukuthi izohamba kanjani kodwa nje simi ngaphandle silindile ukuthi mase besebenza sibathathe sibafaka ngaphansi kweunion bese siyabagada kahle asibonge.
Yeah, another thing ke ubaba uMsholozi is very proud yalesi sikole sisiqalileyo. Is very proud and udlulisa amazwi okubonga nanokuthi ke kubafundi bonke abala congratulations ukuthi bakwazi ukudedicate isikhathi sabo ukuthi bazofunda because spoon feeding time is over. Umuntu aka encourage iskill so that ezokwazi ukuthi ayiphilise. MK is very proud of what we are doing here because it's a community work and we believe ukuthi when the MK is taking over eThekwini kind of schools zama skills development zizoqhubeka zenzeke ngoba iyona into esithe sizoshintsha ngayo impilo zabantu. Ukushintsha impilo ke umuntu akukona ukumprovider ngomsebenzi. You can't give somebody a fish but you must give somebody a rod to fish the fish, angithi? So now this is what we are saying. We cannot say abantu abasibafaka emsebenzini we don't that abangakwazi ukusebenza. So now sebezokwazi ukusebenza and we are going to put more advanced skill to them even after 5 weeks so that these people can able to stand on their own feet, you know, to create more employment in South Africa. Ilokho nje okubalekile esikushoyo. Siyabonga.
Ujola kanjani umuntu othanda ukuthi naye azoba ingxenye ye program le eyenziwayo iziphi izitep omela ayithathe kumele enze njani?
Yeah, no sinomthetho oqondile ukuthi umuntu ozojoyina iclass lesibili kuzomela kube umuntu ozoletha iCV yakhe eoffice. Ioffice lelapha ku 125 Florence Nzama Street. Lapha yana ku Convention House ngase Unisa kuno ABSA lapha yana singaphezulu kwa ABSA. Mawuthe ufuna ama office region yomkhonto wesizwe sakhelene ke nayo awethu ama office nakhona angalapho. Uyakwazi ungene office uze ne CV yakho ufike uyishiye usho ukuthi ufuna ithuba lokuthi wena uphinde uzokwenza njani uzongena kwi second round kwi third round ngoba akuyona into ezoma le into eqhubekayo. So we are saying ke wonke umuntu onesifiso sokuqhubeka uclass 1 lo uyeza uclass 2 uyeza uclass 3 uyeza so this figure our target is to make sure that we train almost 1,000 mechanists before the end of this year. So this is our current target that we are saying let's teach almost 1,000 mechanists, not just mechanists, the mechanists that can do the job, not those people who can stand there. And we want to even to improve the skill, the speed of those mechanists. Those mechanists must be able to produce a complete product within few minutes so that these people can be competent in whatever that they do in the factory that they are going to. And we are going to keep the database to us so that we can able also to check, to trace whether these people are still fine, if there are still opportunities to further their skills development, we can able to choose them and bring them on board as well. Sikwazi ubaqhubeza bayimele benze yonke lento esiqhukile ojini yonke lento they must able to do it.
Mina ke mangiza ngizofunda imalini ofike ngiyiphathe fundwa ngamalini kwenzakalani kuleyo ndawo?
No, actually laba bantu njoba bela akhona center abakhiphile njoba behlezi la. But what we normally say njoba ngisho ukuthi we are coming from a partnership that we have yokuthi sibe ne MOU ye agreement. We are hoping ukuthi laba bantu masebela kuzothi ku third week bazokwazi ukuthi baqale bathunga izinto ke manje ezomkhiqizo abazokwazi ukuthi zisetshenziswe ngoba bazobe sebazi and uma beqeda into abazoyikhipha yinye u500 u500 one we-certificate nowe-graduation certificate and the graduation sikwazi ukuthi bagraduate ngendlela correct sibanikeze nezitifiketi according ezizoba accredited hayi certificate nje kube certificate that is going to be accredited by USAQA or ilokuze ama sitters ngokuhlukana kwawo. This is what we are planning to do. We don't want to do fake things. We want to make sure that any certificate that can come from this factory will be a genuine and it will be tested and it will be accredited. Wherever you go, you can see that this certificate is genuine. This is what we want to say.
Umuntu obonela ukuthi isikole siseClearwood angayihluphi ezisikoleni akahamba ema-office.
Yes, so that is sizomfaka kwi-program yabantu abalandelayo because we've got a lot of people abamele ukuthi bazongena kwi-second class. So now as sirola isikole wenza kanjalo, you go, you register, and njengamanje we are busy developing i-website where a person can able ukuthi ayingenele esekhaya kwi-website akwazi i-website ukumnikeza iklasi elilandelayo mase kugcwele elinye aphinde athole nenumber yakhe yokungena kulelo class elilandelayo. So we are developing a website right now ezokwazi ukusilekelela to do all these things. Siyabonga.